Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's that time again where I'm going to be doing my Birchbox unboxing. So if you want to know what I got in my Birchbox for September 2018, then just stay tuned. So just quickly, just before we get into the actual Birchbox, if you are liking this makeup look that I've got on right now, I've literally just finished filming it and it's new makeup products from Primark. So if you are interested, then stay tuned, hit that subscribe button for my channel because the video for this look will be coming up very, very soon. So this is this month's Birchbox design and I have to say, I love it. It's really nice. The colours are so me. So as normal, we have 5 products in this month's box. We also have the leaflet that tells us everything about the products we received in our boxes. For September 2018, the motto is on top of your world. So great. We also have a £10 off your first order voucher for Bloom and Wild, which is a flower company. It doesn't say how much you would have to spend on your first order to get this £10 off, but it does say that it is valid until the 31st of December 2018. That is the discount code right there. So if you are interested in getting Birchbox for yourself, if you would like £5 off on your first box and maybe a little treat as well, sometimes they do that, then check out my friend referral code, which is in the description below. Bit of a bummer this month, we haven't got anything that is a full-size product, but we did have our chance to choose a particular shade of a particular item. Which is the thing that is going to be going into my giveaway this month, and that is the Benefit Boxo powder in the colour Gold Rush. So that's the packaging there. As you can see, it is just a sample size, it's not the full box. Because I am not a massive Boxo powder fan, I have tried them in the past, and as blushes go, it's just a little bit too shimmery for me. I don't like a shimmery blusher. I just save that for my highlighter. So yeah, so this is definitely going to be going into the giveaway. In the blurb about this, it says Benefit Boxo powder in Gold Rush. Like sunshine in a box, reach for this golden nectar blush when your complexion is in need of a pick-me-up. The luxurious honey shade is infused with delicate golden flecks to brighten skin for that lit from within glow. Simply sweep onto your cheeks for a natural looking flush, and bonus, it smells divine. I will agree with that, they do smell absolutely amazing. All the Benefit products smell amazing. So the RRP price for this Boxo powder is £25.50. And like I said, this is just a sample size, but it's actually quite a good sample size. If you do want to be part of that giveaway, guys, literally all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. So if you haven't done that yet, then go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. Also, don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up as well, because every little bit helps. So next product that I'm pulling out of the box then is another Sand and Sky product. So this is the Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfecting Exfoliating Treatment. Okay, so last time I had a Sand and Sky product, it was their Pink Clay Mask. Now I've got the Pink Clay Exfoliating Treatment. And in the blurb about this, it says this 3-in-1 scrub invigorates all skin types in just 5 minutes. Macadamia seed gently exfoliates, Pink Clay clears pores, and Australian finger lime, what the hell's that? Provides that from lit within glow. Gently massage onto your skin, then leave for 5 minutes to let the treatment work its magic before rinsing with warm water. So the RRP price for this is £34.90. Now I know the Sand and Sky products are pricey, but you do get a lot of products for your dollar on the full size stuff. I know that for a fact, and that it does go a long way, and that it's amazing. Next product that I've pulled out the box is a Marcel City 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturising emulsion. In the blurb about this, it says, protect your skin from the effects of pollution like dullness, dehydration and irritation with this daily moisturiser. Using City Guard, a complex that acts to shield your skin, its cruelty-free formula provides long-lasting hydration and visibly brightens. Apply morning and night for a fresh, healthy complexion. And this has got like a little pink dot next to it, which means, this is a Birchbox exclusive, so you can only get this at Birchbox at the moment. And the RRP price for this is £23. This is an absolute tiny, tiny sample. It's 7 mils. That'll probably only do like, what, 2 days at the most. So I don't know how you're supposed to get a good feel for how this is after just a couple of applications. I think for things like this, Birchbox, you need to step up your game a little bit and give out bigger samples, because after a couple of days use, you're not going to know how this is affecting your skin. You need to be using it for at least a week, maybe even 2 weeks before you know how you feel about it. So yeah, that in my opinion, it just isn't good enough. So the fourth product that I've pulled out the box is Perfect Legs Skin Miracle, a tinted multivitamin serum to perfect and help cover skin imperfections. This is a 10 ml, so that's a little bit better. However, it is going to be covering a larger surface area, isn't it? So I suppose when you look at it that way, it's not that great. Again, disappointed with the sample size, Birchbox. In the blurb, this says, show off your pins with pride with this powerful tinted serum. Massage the fast absorbing formula into legs to even skin tone. Fade bruising and leave a subtle sun-kissed tint behind. Plus, it's packed full of vitamins to help repair and enhance skin. Trust us, even the fairest of legs will love the instant glow. So I'm actually going to have a look at this. Oh, that's quite a bit. Wow, that's dark. That's really dark. Is it supposed to be that dark? So once you have spread it out, it's definitely better. But it's orange. It's orange. I don't know whether you can actually tell. I think you can. That's orange. That's not like a nice olivey tan that I like to have. It's orange, and it's shimmery as well. It is shimmery. It smells amazing though. I like that scent. I almost forgot to say that the RRP price for this is £37, and on the picture I can see that it says it's 120 mils for the actual size. So there we go with that. And then last but not least, we have a purple shampoo, which I'm all about. I love trying new purple shampoos. So this one is Beauty Protector Protect and Blonde Toning Shampoo. So, reduces brassiness, refreshes blonde tones, brightens grey and white, conceals warmth, adds shine, gently cleanses, strengthens hair, moisturises, paraben-free and vegan-friendly. Wow. It doesn't actually say how big this is, which is a shame. But it's not the biggest of bottles. It is literally 1.5 goes for me. In the blurb, this says, blondes may have more fun, but keeping those locks looking their best can be tricky. It really can. Enter Protect and Blonde. Used just a few times a week, the deep violet formula reduces brassiness and amplifies cool tones to keep blonde hair beautiful. Bonus, it's perfect for white, grey, or platinum strands too. Nice. So the RRP price for this is £23, and again on the picture I can't actually see how big it is. So let's just have a look and see how purple it is. That is dark. That is really, really dark. I hope you can see that there. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells like sweets. Just smells sugary. My favourite. So yeah, there we are then, guys. That was everything that I got in my Birchbox for September 2018. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, if you do want to join my giveaway, which will happen in December, the end of the year, then all you have to do is subscribe. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you did like this video, because that really does help out my channel. And also, if you've got any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the section below. Until next time, guys, you take care and stay safe. Bye.